Hello mga ka-insights. Today, we are going to answer the question, bakit hindi maganda yung naiinggit ka? Ano po ba yung inggit? Sa Biblia, yan po ay tinatawag na envy. At galing po yan sa word na jealousy. Ang simpleng paliwanag po ng envy ay laging ginagarantiya ng inggit na hindi ito makuntinto sa kung ano ang mayroon ito at palaging magagalit sa sino mang may mas mahusay o higit pa. That means they are never content. Hindi po sila nakukontinto sa life. That is why Apostle Paul said in Philippians chapter 4, verse 12, I know how to be abased and I know how to abound. Everywhere in all things I have learned both to be full and to be hungry, both to abound and to suffer need. That is why if you have Christ in your life, marunong ka pong makontento. Because if you are a believer of Christ, He is your portion. He is your all in all. Kaya po makontento tayo sa life. Bakit? The most miserable people in the world are the envious.